Well, dear viewers, let's have a look at these. We've got goslings. Canadian ones, admittedly, but goslings nonetheless. Cute little things, aren't they? Yeah. And here comes a rowing team. Might be a bit stronger on the water than those little dudes.
Can you see through the bridge, that brown fence? On the left.
The brown fence?
Brown fence on the left.
Yeah.
Just stop. That'll be the start for the next one with Bad Boy, yeah?
Oh, looks like there's traffic on the...
Hold it more on your right.
I've never been to Cambridge. Right. Well, dear viewers, there you go. Human rowers and avian swimmers. See you in the next one. Bye.